This is our new PEMTRON 7700 SPI solder paste inspection machine. When we run a board here, what we're looking for is volume, height, area, offset X and Y, no solder, bridge, and shape. This allows us to take a board that we've pasted on our ECRA printer and do a 100% check for absence and presence and volume of all the solder paste we just deposited on the board. The board that we just pasted, what this is doing is measuring every single application of paste on every single land to make sure that we have paste, that it's in the right location, and it is the right volume and shape as well.